Looking for some easy cash rewards? Check out this video to learn how you can turn your daily activities into money-making opportunities. We'll dive into a free platform that gives awesome cash rewards for doing simple tasks. Don't miss out, watch now and start earning money online with ease. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our amazing money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone, no matter where you're from. Let us know your country in the comments, and we'll make sure to share videos that are perfect for your area. Alright, let's jump right in. Explore, earn, enjoy. Check it out, HandBucks is your ticket to easy cash rewards. Dive into surveys, browse content, and more. Sign up now and start exploring a world full of ways to earn some extra bucks. HandBucks is a cool, free platform where you can earn cash just by doing different online activities. And the best part? It's available worldwide, so you can sign up no matter where you are. You can sign up with your Google account or make your own login details. Once you're all set up, just log into the dashboard and start earning. HandBucks is a super easy-to-use platform that helps you boost your earnings while having fun with different online activities. No matter how you choose to engage, be it by sharing your insights through surveys, watching ads, completing offers, exploring short links, or diving into micro-tasks, HandBucks opens up a world of opportunities to elevate your earnings. HandBucks has this cool referral program where you can make some extra cash on the side. Just share your referral link with friends or anyone you want to invite. When they click and sign up as a HandBucks member, they're linked to you. The best part? You earn a commission whenever they earn HandBucks, easy money. HandBucks has got you covered with a bunch of payout options like Payer, Payoneer, Faucet Pay, Perfect Money, Airtem, Finance Pay, and even gift cards. Don't miss out on the fun and easy money. Sign up for HandBucks today and start your fun-filled journey to extra cash. Don't miss out on the excitement. Before we finish up, I'd really like to hear from you. Have you ever tried HandBucks or any other money-making apps? How did it go for you? Leave a comment below and let us know your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.